The Pixel 8 Pro is one slick-looking phone with its glass and metal body, and it even comes with an IP68 rating for protection against dust and splashes. Handy for those little accidents. But the real star of the show here is the 6.7-inch OLED screen. Google calls it a Super Actua display, and it's as bright as a sunny day, going up to 2400 nits. This means you can comfortably read your screen outdoors, and the screen can switch up its refresh rate from a battery-saving 1 Hz to a smooth 120 Hz for slick scrolling and gaming. Now, let's talk about the camera. Google's Pixel phones have always had a knack for photography, and the Pixel 8 Pro keeps that tradition alive. It's got a trio of cameras on the back: a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus. The colors are spot on, and the way it captures skin tones is seriously impressive. Night mode is a champ, delivering good shots with great colors and detail. Even the secondary cameras don't disappoint, and video recording has seen some welcome improvements. Under the hood, you'll find the Tensor G3 chip. It's like the engine of the phone, and it's not just about raw power. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, you've got the muscle and space you need for multitasking and storing all your stuff. But what really sets it apart is its advanced AI capabilities, enhancing everything from photography to voice recognition and overall device optimization, making the Pixel 8 Pro an exceptional all-around performer. There's also a cool built-in temperature sensor. Open the thermometer app, point your phone at something, and it'll tell you the temperature. One of the most exciting things about the Pixel 8 Pro is that Google promises to keep it updated for 7 years. That's not just security updates, but full-blown system updates and those cool Pixel feature drops. The Pixel 8 Pro is backed by a beefy 5050 mAh battery. It'll keep your phone juiced up all day, even if you're a heavy user. Xiaomi 13 Ultra stands out with its modern and sleek design. The main attraction is its camera module, housing an innovative variable aperture main camera with an enormous 1-inch sensor. The phone has a premium feel, and its design is not just about aesthetics, but also functionality. The sleek, flat-screen design enhances the comfort and precision of using the device, especially with the S Pen. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts one of the most exceptional displays on the market. It features a 6.73-inch QHD OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is vivid, providing vibrant colors and excellent performance, making it a perfect canvas for showcasing photos and videos. It remains impressive even under direct sunlight. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The camera system is a true masterpiece. It features a remarkable 200-megapixel main camera alongside 3x and 10x telephoto lenses, an ultra-wide lens, and a variable aperture. It excels in zoom photography, capturing astonishing detail even at long distances. Xiaomi's portrait mode is among the best in the industry, offering excellent subject isolation and fine detail retention. The phone supports video recording at up to 8K at 30 FPS, delivering remarkable color and detail. Under the hood, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, specially optimized for the device. This chipset offers remarkable speed and multitasking capabilities. Users can choose between 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, which provides excellent performance. Moreover, this phone runs cooler than its predecessor, ensuring smooth gaming experiences. Despite having the same 5000 mAh battery capacity as the previous model, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra offers improved battery life due to the more efficient processor and display optimizations. It comfortably lasts through a day of moderate use. In summary, Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a technological marvel that combines a cutting-edge design, an outstanding display, and a camera system that redefines smartphone photography. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset ensures impressive speed and performance, while the 5000 mAh battery with rapid charging capabilities keeps you going.